Welcome to Tekzoid, where we simplify tech for you. Today, we're exploring the Smart Hub on Samsung TVs, what it is, what it can do, and whether you really need it. Let's dive in. What is Smart Hub? Smart Hub is the main menu system on Samsung Smart TVs. It's your central dashboard for everything: live TV, streaming apps, HDMI devices, games, and even smart home controls, all in one place. Think of it as the home screen for your TV, powered by Samsung's Tizen OS. It's designed to make switching between Netflix, YouTube, gaming consoles, and cable TV quick and effortless. What can you do with Smart Hub? Let's break down the best features of Samsung's Smart Hub. Unified menu. Access all your apps, inputs, and channels in one place. Smart suggestions. Get personalized show and movie recommendations. Smart things. Control smart home devices right from your TV. Gaming hub. Stream games instantly. No console needed. Voice control. Use Bixby, Alexa, or Google Assistant hands-free. Ambient mode. Turn your screen into art or a digital photo frame. Things to keep in mind. To use Smart Hub fully, you'll need a Samsung account, a stable internet connection. Some apps may vary by region, and older TV models might feel slower compared to newer ones. Also, periodic updates may slightly change how the interface looks or behaves. Is Smart Hub safe? Yes. Smart Hub is built directly into Samsung's TVs. It's completely safe, doesn't collect personal data beyond what's needed for personalization, and is maintained by Samsung's official software updates. To check more details, check out our full post, link in the description. If you own a Samsung Smart TV, Smart Hub isn't just an extra feature, it's what makes the whole experience smart. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tech explainers like this one. This is Tekzoid, where we simplify tech for you. See you in the next one.